So in this video, we're going to take a look at the Anker PowerConf S500 conference speaker, and this one is Zoom certified. I want to thank the guys at Anker for sending this over to review on the channel. I'll leave a link in the description of the video with current pricing and more information. This has a USB-C connection. This is a conference speaker, and not just for Zoom, it's going to work for just about all the popular platforms. This one has two-way noise reduction, 32 kilohertz super wideband HD voice pickup, got 4 different highly sensitive microphones. It also has voice radar, which apparently is going to enhance voices while eliminating background noise. Not only is this a portable conference speaker, but you can actually use this for playing music, watching videos, pretty much anything you would use a Bluetooth speaker for. This has about 16 hours battery life. They're advertising this works up to about 12 people. It also has 360-degree voice, so you can download the app for this on Google Play or the App Store, depending on if you're on Android or iOS. This comes in a pretty nice travel case here. USB-C to USB-C charging cable. And then of course you've got a user manual, quick start guide, and safety and warranty information. Nice thing is an adapter is included if you don't have USB-C. You can see the majority of the top there looks like a speaker grill. Then gloss black material there at the bottom to show your controls once it's powered up. You got a nice silver band here around the edges. USB-C charging port there at the back. You can also use a USB adapter here on the bottom. You've also got a rubberized material that should help from moving around. All the controls are here on the front. Power, play, and pause. You've also got a button that's going to pair this to another conference speaker and Bluetooth. Overall build quality is really nice on this. As expected with Anker products, if you've used any of their other Bluetooth speakers, this one definitely does not disappoint. You can see once it's powered up, you've got the touch controls for volume up and down, answer and end phone calls. Then you also have a mute button right there in the middle. To connect this to your phone is going to be just like any other Bluetooth speaker. Now before we connect to this and see what the voice on the other end sounds like, you can also play music on this just like other Bluetooth speakers as well. Here's a quick sample just to give you an idea of what it sounds like. And then of course, just like on pretty much all iPads, it's going to be really good for reading text or just browsing online. They've always done a really nice job with screen resolution and everything looking just nice and crisp. So this actually sounds pretty good just using it as a Bluetooth speaker. Nice and loud, really clear. I don't know if people would actually buy this for that, but it's definitely nice to see it can be used that way. Okay, let's try a phone call real quick just to see what this sounds like. Hey, what are you doing?
Not much. What are you doing?
Just trying out this conference speaker. What is that thing you sent me? I just need to print that?
Yeah, it's a return shipping label.
Wow, this speaker sounds really clear, like way better than just speakerphone on my phone. Does it sound like I'm on speakerphone?
Not really. Maybe a little. I think it sounds fine.
Yeah, just give me a call later.
All right, bye.
I don't know if you could tell from the video, but yeah, this thing sounds really good. It was super clear, nothing sounded muffled. Sounded like she could hear me just fine as well. I sort of expected this from Anker. I feel like their products are really nice quality, especially after I tested out their other conference speaker not too long ago. I feel like if you're looking for a conference speaker in a corporate environment, work from home, or you just have a home office that you'd like to use this once in a while. So my first impressions, yeah, this one's definitely one that you gotta check out. So if you've made it this far into the video, you may want to say thanks by subscribing, and don't forget to give a thumbs up if this video was helpful. This is Brian from Fishbee Productions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.